Hey guys, it's Rich.
And it's Carson.
And today we are going to do a very popular challenge. It's going to be very interesting because I've been wanting to do this one for a while, but I don't know what it tastes like, so I'm kind of scared. It is the Durian challenge. Now you're probably thinking, well, why is durian in a bag like that? Well, around our area it's pretty hard to get. Very hard to get. It took me a while to get that. And the only way I can get it is to be frozen in a bag, so that's how we got it. So it's called the Durian Challenge, but it's not really a challenge. It's pretty much, can you eat it? People say it tastes like a lot of different things. It could either taste like custard or onions and garbage and all that great stuff. Even a little old lady that I bought it off of at the Oriental grocery store, she said, "Oh, it makes you strong." So we'll see. Here we go.
Already smells horrible. Try this. Oh my god. Oh, this is horrible. It's so gross.
Oh, it smells like onion. Rotten onion. Just, oh! How? It's a big plop of...
I don't even know if I can eat it without smelling.
Oh my god. It smells like onion and sulfur and garbage and... Great dessert. Oh my lord, look at that. Look at that. It looks like pineapple or something. This smells so bad. We should have did this outside. This is horrible. The house stinks. Get a big fork full. Just a little bit.
It's very coffee. I can't even smell it.
His fork, my fork. Alright. Oh, it smells like an onion. It's terrible, like a rotten onion. I think we may need this, so we'll put that right there.
You go first.
What do you mean me go first? Same time.
Okay.
No, I'm not ready at all.
Ready?
Oh my god, my eyes are burning. It smells like an onion.
I don't even know if I can eat this.
I don't know, I'm so scared. I don't want to do this.
Weird one.
I gotta stop smelling. I just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. Whew, it smells so bad. Okay. Please don't do that one. I got a mouthful of it.
I licked it and it tastes horrible.
Okay, it's different. It does taste like an onion. And it does taste like garbage. But it's got like a sweetness to it. If that makes sense, but it's not good.
I licked it and it tastes nasty. So.
There's different parts of it here. This is like crunchy. That stuff's like gooey. I like the word gooey. Now this is like sort of clear, but it's like crunchy looking.
That smells horrible.
So make you strong. That part's not bad at all. Except for the onion aftertaste. I don't like onion.
Oh shit. dog smells horrible.
People say that this is like the stinkiest fruit ever, and I can believe it because it doesn't. It's just bad. I found a different looking piece here.
Maybe there's different parts that taste like different things. Oh yeah, that's really very bad. What did that taste like? Get rid of the chunky.
That was bad. I don't know what the part of the fruit that was, but that was bad. Okay, yeah, so I'm done. I've had enough. So yeah, that was a durian challenge. I ate some of it. Somebody licked their fork. But it's what everybody says it is. It smells horrible. It tastes but it's not, except for that last piece, whatever part of the fruit that was like the ass of the fruit. It was terrible. So yeah, it's not good at all. But if you want to try it, go right ahead. So that's a durian challenge. Thanks for hanging out with us today and watching us eat this gross stuff. Comment, like, subscribe, and find us on Facebook at Absent Minded TV, where you can see shorter videos of other things that we're planning on doing, and you'll get updates from us of what we're thinking about doing or getting some ideas from you. And I hope you're going to watch this till the end. Oh yeah, there's an iCard up there too. Click that and you can see some more of our challenge videos. But here's what we're going to do. If we can get 100 subscribers, it smells bad, it stinks in here. If we can get 100 subscribers, there was a Wario Yoshi, I believe, posted a comment for us to eat live bait like worms, minnows, and things like that. If we get 100 subscribers, we'll do that. So share the videos and get all your friends to subscribe. Subscribe. Can't even talk with this. It smells so bad. It's like, But share the videos. Have all your friends subscribe. Like the videos. Comment on the videos. Do all that good stuff. And we'll get some more gross stuff and weird stuff and fun stuff on video for you. No more Durian.